Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Festive Lucky Block. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing a large square shape. Let's draw a line across. Bring it down from each end. And a line across at the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the eyes. We're going to draw two squares. Let's start with two lines down in the center near the top. Then let's bring it out from the top and the bottom. And close it off on the ends. Now let's hop inside each of the eyes and let's draw another square to add a border. Next, inside the center, let's draw the question marks. Let's start by drawing a small line across on the top left. Now let's curve it up and around underneath. And a larger one on top in the same way. And then let's bring it down with two lines. And close it off with a line across at the bottom. Now underneath, let's draw a square shape. And lastly, let's color the rest of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw a small line across. And let's hop out and let's do the same thing underneath each eye in the center. Now let's connect them with a U-shaped curve down and up on both sides. And let's do the same thing underneath. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop out and let's draw the wings. Let's start on top and let's draw two curves out and up. And then a small curve down at the top. Now let's bring it up and curve it down. Another one underneath. Another one again. One going outwards and in. And one more, bringing it back into the body. And that's it for the wings. Next we're going to hop back in and we're going to draw the bow on the body. Let's start on top of the eyes and let's draw a line down. Then let's continue both lines down underneath. And then continue it down under the mouth to the bottom. Now let's hop to the top and let's draw the bow by drawing 2 lines up in the center. And a curve across the top. Now at the bottom, let's draw a line out on each side. And then curve it down. Now inside the center, let's draw a bump up at the bottom. And then another one on each side. And then on the bottom sides of the body, let's draw a small bump down like this. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's finish the bow. From the top corners, let's draw a long curve out and back in underneath. And then inside each one, let's draw a curve up. And curve it back in underneath. And that's it for the Festive Lucky Block. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!